welcome to the channel. I have a game here that I ordered off of eBay. I don't remember exactly where it came from. Might have come from the States, but this might be a UK version of this game. Alright. So yeah, I got Risk of Rain 2 here. Now it's supposed to include the original Risk of Rain. That's why I have my Switch here, to kind of see how they did that. And I don't know if there's like a manual or something with this game too, because some games I've seen with like stickers or manuals or some bonus little goodies. That's why I do these unboxings of games, because you just never know what might be inside. Okay, just a limited warranty card. Nice artwork. There's the back of the case. So it is single player only. Rated T for teen. So this is an American version. Or North American anyway. Good, I have no cartridge in there. Okay. So I'll zoom in a bit. So the way they've got it is they've actually got them as separate games on the cartridge. That is nice. Risk of Rain 2 is updating. That's awesome. And at the time of the recording of this video, I ordered a video capture card that I can use to record my Switch in handheld mode, so that I can be sitting in front of my TV on my cot, watching YouTube and playing my games and recording at the same time, and maybe do some different kinds of videos on my channel. Maybe do some commentary with video gameplay in the background kind of deal. I don't know what I'm going to talk about. I might also do it like, I also got a lavalier mic for it and stuff like that, and also another separate voice recorder, so I could mute the video, mute the gameplay, and then have my voice over top. Still got to figure out exactly what I'm going to do with that kind of stuff, but yeah, I've also been in a bit of a gaming mood lately, but I want to record my gameplay. So I've kind of been refraining from actually playing anything, even though, yeah, I do have multiple accounts and stuff, but okay. Okay, when was this released? 2019. Oh, okay. Damn. I thought it was more recent. I was planning on getting Risk of Rain on Steam, but I actually got a pretty decent deal. I think I paid either $20 or $30 for this copy. And it comes with both games. I think it would have cost me almost as much to buy them on Steam right now first and second game, and I can't exactly play them right now. I do have my gaming laptop, but I don't really game on it so much. I just use it for editing my videos, and I still have to finish building my my desktop at some point. I still haven't completed that yet. I still have a couple of other videos on that to upload. But yeah, I've run into a couple of hiccups with that. Um, but yeah, I do look forward to playing these at some point. I heard that they're actually pretty good games. Um, yeah, it's interesting that it's actually released by Gearbox. It's almost, yeah, it says Gearbox on there. These almost seem like indie games. Yeah, it's just published by Gearbox, but it says it. Hypno Games, Gearbox, and Code Mystics, and Speed Tree. Play Everywhere, powered by W-Wise. Okay. Yeah, I do have some other games coming too that I've ordered. Pretty inexpensive games. I can't really afford to pay for full price launch games. Well, like not launch, but like Mario, like first party. That's what I'm trying to say. Like first party games and stuff like that. Um, I can get like third party games like Risk of Rain and a few other games like that for pretty cheap. Get more bang for my buck that way. If I can get 2 games for the price of 1. Yeah, alright. Well, I think that's going to do it for this video. It was a bit of a longer unboxing. I hope you enjoyed, and have a good one.